Hi, Simon here, Unity Beach. Just further updates on this coming weekend. So the fun fair will be open this weekend. The guys are working really hard, making sure everything is safe and ready to go. Brand new arcade is opening. There is what will be the new pavilion and wonky donkey areas and the sports bar. That is on target, end of May we are opening. That is the finalised date, end of May. Guys have been really busy here, making sure everything works really well. The main park is in good shape. And of course the pool complex is all geared up and ready for Easter. Been open all winter. So those guys are absolutely slick at what they're doing now. What we'll do, we'll just take you on a little walk along the boardwalk and we'll show you what's going on at the front of the building. Let's have a look, shall we? There we are. So there's the boardwalk area, which will take you round the front. Loads of stuff being updated and developed. Planters are in. Like I say, the work that's been going on here is tremendous. Planting is being done. There's our cafe, pet-friendly cafe. There's going to be a kids' play area in here. What we find is if the kids are happy, then of course the adults are happy. So things are on target and looking really good. Any questions, give me a call, 07973 620 351. Front of park now is looking really good. Completely on target. Topiary's in place. Hello, doggy. New branding, new flags are up. The Sweet Shack and Waffle Shack is in good shape. The planting looks amazing, I think. There we go. A couple of vans on display here at the main reception. Astro is down. Great van, this one, 2025 Willoughby Manor, 3-bed, great looking thing, and the new Rio as well. So the land train will be coming around here, picking our guests up, taking them all throughout the park, dropping them back at their static caravans. There we go. Signage is getting done, look. Wish you were here. With a little head nod to the wonky donkey. There we go. I think it's looking great, guys. What do you think? So ask me any question you like. Stick it in the text. Give me a call, 07973 620 351. Ask for Simon. And we can talk to you about the plans here. Even a dog washing station. Look at that. They've thought of absolutely everything. Absolutely everything. So if you want to join us this year as an owner on Unity's main resort park, we've got a few vans available. Primrose Way, our first guests are moving in a couple of weeks' time. That is all but finished. Great time to be here with us. Look at the finish. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So give us a call, guys, 07973 620 351. Isn't it funny you bump into? Look.
Hello,
there he is.
Mr. TikTok man. He's TikTok famous, that Simon. I was just on the horse.
Show us.
No, I can't go back home because I got a bollocking.
Hi, Cara.
I've had it all week, bollockins.
Have you had a walk around the outside here yet? Looks absolutely amazing. It's up together.
But do you know this opened on Friday?
We're just telling the guys, yeah.
This is open on Friday, the new arcade, and then obviously towards the end of May, you've got the whole wonky donkey opening, guys. It's going to be fantastic. Fun fair this weekend. Listen, this place has come to life from this weekend. Come down and buy a van off Simon.
Have you seen the planting at the front here? All the plants are in.
You're kidding me? What's your home? Like an obstacle course.
There you go.
you, love.
Look at that.
War machine's coming in.
Three Musketeers now, look. Reunited. Front and centre.
Look at that.
Sweet Shack is looking great as a lick of paint. Look at that. Willoughby Manor and the new Rio, Cara. Lovely.
Donkey's having a bad day.
What do you think of the planting?
Gorgeous.
Isn't it lovely? So those of you that have been coming to Breen for decades,
No signage.
you let us know what you think. Because these are big changes.
Oh, that looks awesome.
They've resuscitated the giraffe, Nigel. He's all right, he made it.
They give him the kiss of life.
He absolutely made it. Oh, good signage, look at that.
That's awesome.
Look at that. More changes in the last 3 months than they've seen here in 50 or 60 years. Fantastic. So, give us a call, myself or Cara. Where are you, Cara?
Go, come and do a video, mate.
That's still Nigel.
Not anymore.
Oh!
There she is. So give either of us a call at the office. Ask you any questions. Talk about joining us this year. There are not many spaces available. 07973 620 351. Cara, what's your number?
078 6767 4308.
Brilliant. This weekend it comes alive. Thanks, guys.